to a special episode of Portioning with Jason, All-Star Chicken Edition. So I have an awesome, real good chicken tendies. I'll make them in three ways. First, of course, is the Japanese style Chicken Sando. Second way, of course, is because All-Star Games in Atlanta, and shout out to Garrett Crochet, Alex Bregman, and also Aroldis Chapman, Red Sox All-Stars. Make it Atlanta style with lemon pepper. And then finally, to really turn up the heat, lava chicken, you know, like Minecraft. I'll be adding in some lava chicken ingredients of Chinese spices and also tomato sauce. And of course, I'll be rating each chicken application from scale from 1 to 10. 1 being pretty mid and 10 being really spicy or really all-star awesome. So let's begin making the all-star preparations for lava chicken, for lemon pepper, and also for chicken sando. The easiest, of course, is going to be chicken sando right here. So what you do is you basically get your leftover bread. You grab a couple pieces of bread, put it over here. Grab a piece of chicken tendy. Grab a piece of chicken tender, put it on the bread. You can see the bread and chicken is now well rested. Put the cap on the bread, and then Japanese style, slash it in half. Put chicken sando, slash it in half. Of course, if it's too hard to slash the chicken, just, heat it up. While the chicken's be cooking, I'll be working on a second chicken application, which is lemon pepper Atlanta style. This chicken requires a little bit more finesse. So first, I grab another piece of chicken. This is a good piece. And then make the Atlanta sauce. Because the All-Star game this year is going to be played in Truist Park, I'll make it with the Atlanta sauce with the suja, lemonade, and also black peppercorn. Chicken sando is ready. Let me cut it up. Yep, it's been cut up. So there's the chicken sando, fully cut. So there's the chicken sando, fully cut. Leave it aside. Now Atlanta lemon pepper. So first I gotta heat the chicken again. So while the chicken heats, All-Star Game questions. Do you think Aroldis Chapman will be able to get a save in the All-Star Game? And more importantly, do you also think who's going to win, AL or NL? Luckily, since I'm in Florida, I actually have an opportunity to maybe go to All-Star Game and watch it in Truist Park. Unfortunately, the tickets cost a lot. Instead, I'll be rooting from home. So there's now the Atlanta chicken ready, chicken tendies. So let me put in some Atlanta lemon pepper wet. So first I gotta make a bit of a sauce with the Atlanta style. So the ramekin, put some lemon in there, and put some pepper. So this is actually a very simple ingredient. And then just mix it up and put on the chicken. Alright, so that would be the Atlanta lemon pepper chicken. And then put the pepper and chicken together like that. There we go, Atlanta pepper chicken, all set. And then finally, so there's Atlanta pepper chicken right over here. And finally, we got the most difficult and the most spiciest one, the lava chicken. Of course, reference to Steve from Minecraft. The nice big tendy over here. And now I make some lava chicken. And because it's lava chicken, I'm gonna bring some gloves to protect my church ring, and just, to make sure everything's good. So here we go.